Will there be a sleepless future for Tesla factory workers? Elon Musk has ignited a firestorm of concern over the questionable build quality of Tesla's highly anticipated Cybertruck. In an eye-opening revelation on social media, Musk announced that he had just drove the production candidate Cybertruck at Tesla Giga Texas. But what followed was not a boast. It was a brutal assessment that has Tesla workers bracing for long, stressful nights ahead. Musk laid it bare in a company-wide email that sent shockwaves through the Tesla community. Due to the nature of Cybertruck, which is made of bright metal with mostly straight edges, any dimensional variation shows up like a sore thumb. Early images of the Cybertruck, especially those shared by Musk himself, corroborate his point. The build quality is jaw-droppingly inconsistent, particularly where multiple stainless steel panels intersect in a manner resembling a deli slicer more than a vehicle. Setting micron-level standards, invoking Lego and soda cans, Musk didn't hold back in detailing the stringent requirements for parts. All parts for this vehicle, whether internal or from suppliers, need to be designed and built to sub-10 micron accuracy, he emphasized, alluding to the precision found in everyday items like Lego and soda cans. That means all part dimensions need to be to the third decimal place in millimeters and tolerances need to be specified in single-digit microns. The battle for oneness. Bob Lutz, a veteran of the big three U.S. automakers, opined that customers might not come into showrooms with gap gauges, but they instinctively notice a vehicle's seamless design, a reflection of quality. Indeed, the auto industry, especially high-end brands like Lexus, have long taken pride in showcasing their manufacturing consistency. Deja vu, a reiteration of 2018 warnings. Remarkably, this isn't Musk's first rodeo in critiquing his own company's quality. In 2018, he warned his employees that Tesla cars must be so accurately built that any discrepancies in measurements could only mean their measuring tape is wrong. Yet, customer complaints persist, and Tesla's poor showing in J.D. Power's initial quality surveys indicates the problem hasn't magically disappeared. Could a Tesla measuring tape be next? 5 years after Musk's first cautionary email, it seems Tesla's quality issues are more evident than ever. Maybe it's time for Tesla to start bundling their own measuring tapes with each new vehicle, given the persistent quality issues that refuse to go away. In a market where build quality can make or break a brand, Musk's alarming words and the ensuing uproar have industry watchers and potential buyers alike questioning what comes next for Tesla's Cybertruck and for Tesla itself. Let us leave you with this. Would you buy a Tesla Cybertruck when it comes out? Let us know in the comment area. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Until next time. Thanks for watching.